This is the elevator at the Westin Crown Center, Kansas City, Missouri. It's an Otis Lexan. It's a very nice elevator. No handrails. This could be a safety hazard. It's carpet on the wall here. It's very nice. 5. Is it locked? 5 is locked. 3. I think it's a traction. Does not feel like a hydraulic. It's traction. It's an Otis. Oh, here we go down. One.
Just piddling around.
Coming up.
Yes, all right.
Which floor?
CD, is that,
Is that in
will
that?
that go? It's green,
Whatever
but
the
it's
next one's up.
Parking level 1.
instead of
Level
80.
1. We're on one right now.
Oh,
Let's
so
go
if,
two.
if we're, okay.
I don't know. Let's go to 2.
Well, we just passed 2.
Okay, we'll come back down.
I didn't even press any buttons.
Well done.
Fine.
I think we were probably on a half level.
Oh,
And
okay.
they don't have.
Oh, we're up on 4. You coming down?
Going down, yep.
Which floor are you going to?
I'm going to that
I
one.
think on half levels, they don't have elevators,
Level
so.
1 CD. So let's
Yeah.
go
Oh,
to
so
2.
level, yeah, well, but level 1 is, yeah, how high up in
I have a feeling this elevator is like a safety risk. I mean, there's no handrails anywhere on here. It's like carpet everywhere too. It's like this is carpet on the wall.
Freight.
Get this right.
Oh, yeah, that wasn't even.
Y'all have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
You guys coming up or down? Whoop.
Just stand one to the
To
number 1.
number 2 or 1?
One. We're on 2.
Hi, how you doing?
Doing great.
What?
Ooh, Jurassic Park. I've seen parts of that movie before.
Not the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you guys seen the new Jurassic World movies?
Yes, it's great.
Yeah. You all have a good day. Let's see if 4 will work. 4 works. Let's get a cab view here. It's an old Otis Lexan. Lexan fixtures. Very nice. This is my first Lexan. The old alarm button. Stop switch. That right there looks really nice up there. Carpet everywhere. It's a very nice but interesting elevator. Very bright lights. All right. We will go back down to 1. I'll get another round trip. We will go back up to 4. Let's check the time on my watch. It is 3:02 right now. are 4. Door close works. Let's go back down to 2. We are back on 2. There it goes. That's it.